Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm just going to go over the Symmetry tool. It's really simple, it's easy. Once you get the hang of it, you'll have a great time messing around with it on Procreate. I got the idea from a Facebook group where someone posted a video of someone drawing like a little pumpkin type thing, so I'll sort of play around with it and try to recreate that just off the top of my head. So we'll see how it goes. We'll have some fun with the Symmetry tool. Let's get to it. Okay, so for the Symmetry tool, the first thing you want to do is go to the wrench. And then you want to go on, you see Animation Assist and Drawing Guide. So you want to go to Drawing Guide, and you click that on. And I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a green line down the middle of the canvas. So we're going to go and edit Drawing Guides, which is right below. Let me go back into that just so you can see. So there's Drawing Guide here that I just turned on, and then right below it is Edit Drawing Guide. I have to remember to slow down when I'm making these. So you have all these options. I'm not sure what all these are for, but I'll have to learn them and then I'll make some tutorials. But right now, for Symmetry, you want to go to Symmetry. So let's see if you can see it. So right now there's a little circle with a dot with the green line, and I can make that thinner or thicker depending on what I want. And I can change the opacity if you want it really light. So I'll make it 100% opacity in the thickest just so you can actually see the line better here. So we're on Symmetry. We're going to hit Done. And then you have your line here. Alright, so in this layer, it now says Assisted here. So when it says Assisted, that means that the Symmetry is in motion. So we're going to take any brush. I'll take my graffiti brushes. And let's see. So basically this is going to be the center line for the Symmetry. So if we're if we do something like that, let's say and anything you do, like if you color in one side, the other side is going to be colored in as well. So anything you do, the other side is it's also going to happen on the other side. So you can make some really weird looking stuff if you want. Let's color this in with a and you can make some nice looking designs as well. So you can make all sorts of designs, and everything will be obviously mirrored. So that's pretty much that. And then you can go to that layer. You can turn off Drawing Assist if you wanted to make something different. So if you want to alter it, you just go into the layer and you can turn on or off Drawing Assist. I can turn it back on, and then we have the assist is back on. Alright, so let's see about getting rid of this green line. Let me see if I go back into, okay, so I'm going to turn the Drawing Guide off, and that's what turns off that green line. So now you just have your image. So if you want the green line back to actually see where the center line is, you can just turn that back on and turn it off as you need. So let's make a new layer. Drawing Assist is on. So I didn't turn Drawing Assist on. Let me try. I just turned it on. So lots of cool stuff that you can make with this. Let's see if I do. So you can make all sorts of interesting characters, weird stuff. It's kind of look like he's wearing glasses, so make him wear glasses. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I basically just drew Symmetry. I wanted to see what it looks like, and it actually looks like a really cool hieroglyph. I'm going to add that to something. I'm going to make something cool out of this, but we'll do that in another video. So hopefully that makes sense about Symmetry. Once again, to turn that off, you go to the wrench, you go to Canvas, Drawing Guide, you can turn it off and turn it on. And you can also change the opacity and thickness. So I'm going to draw kind of like what I saw in the Facebook group. It was sort of like a pumpkin type thing. Let's see here. We'll do my version. We'll give him a little cute pumpkin nose. Actually, I want to give him a and then he sort of had a, let me color this guy in. So I'm going to turn Assist off here. And he sort of had a cute little actually it was more like you gotta have things like that, right? Maybe that's a little too big. Let me make it smaller. And a better color than that. That's better. Alright, so what eyes are we going to give this little... Let me turn off, let me make sure... Okay, Assist is off. I'm going to turn off that green line, so I'm going to turn off Drawing Guide in Canvas. And let's see. We will... just kind of freestyle in here. We're going to make some white... Oh, actually no, we should do like yellow. We should do like a yellow behind his eye. I think that'll look nice. Should we do everything yellow? Not the teeth, right? The teeth shouldn't be yellow. Oops. I'll put another layer above that. And we'll do some... Do we want to give him eyeballs like that? I don't know. I don't know. I'm torn. Oh, maybe these are the eyeballs. Do we want... Oh. No, I think that's good. I think we'll leave it like that. Oh, I know what we'll do. I'll take the yellow, I'll make it a little bit darker, and then we'll make some... kind of like it's carved, you know. I'll just kind of give it, let's see, there we go. Sort of like it's carved. And then I'll take black and I'm just gonna merge all these. I'm gonna alpha lock that. All I did was select an alpha lock, and I will turn the opacity down, and I will give him a shadow under here. Shadows don't really make sense as to what I'm doing. They're not really, I haven't really thought this through, but that's okay. That's the beauty of it sometimes. You just kind of mess around, see what happens. Am I alpha locked? Yes, I am. Okay, so we're gonna give him some shadow here. Give him a little bit of shadow here. No shadow there. Maybe a light shadow down the center. And then maybe a little bit of shadow here. Something like that. Oh, you know what else we're going to do? I know what we're going to do. We're going to have some fun with his eyes. We're going to give him some jelly beans. Should they be lighter? Maybe they should be lighter jelly beans. Make them a little bit lighter. And then we'll make them really white. And we'll just do a nice little highlight there. How's that? And then if we wanted to, we could even go back to the orange, make it a little bit darker, and we could actually give them some big old eyes if we wanted to, or little eyes, or cat eyes. Ooh, cat eyes. No. Okay, so maybe I'll use this for the icon. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Feel free to add me on Instagram at drugfreedave, and subscribe and like here on YouTube. I have a lot more videos like this, tutorials, time-lapse videos, anything and everything art. So yeah, keep drawing, and I'll catch you in the next video.